Hello, TechSavvvvy, and if you guys remember this video, what's the first fail?
Hello, TechSavvvvy, and today, let's show.
You can see the laptop is not booting up for some reason. So, assuming in this video, that your motherboard is bad. Well, I've heard it could be the BIOS. So, bring it online. I begin to know if I can pull up the RAM, put it back in, and make it start. So, let's try this. Sorry for thunderstorm in the background. Stupid storm. I'd be upset right now, but no. I had a failed take of this. I probably won't release it. No, I can't reboot it, I think. My internet decided not to cooperate and I had to redo the video. Thank you. Alright. So, just as I bought a new flash drive today too. For another video I'm gonna use. So. Okay, 214. Windows. DOS. Okay, what do I gotta do? You gotta copy all of these to it. Let me try that. Okay, let's try and get the boot once. This is really hard to do because this computer doesn't consistently boot. Okay, booted. Get in. Ah, you son of a. Okay, cool. V203. Alright, so let's go ahead and make sure the battery's charged enough. The BIOS is a really sensitive thing to update. Because if you fail it, you're probably screwed. Just saying. So, if your laptop and your battery's decently charged, I would say 50% should be more than enough. Probably if you want to risk it, 20 to 30%. And if you really want to risk it, then just don't bother with it. But I would play it safe and go 50. No, the battery shot in the computer doesn't hold very well, so it's not very helpful. See, it won't hold track of date and time. Just kind of annoying. Say, and we're at 71, so that's why. Alright. So go try. I did not boot the flashlight for it then. So here you hold down FN and ask or escape. My friend said it about once and now I keep saying it. Yeah, I hate him. Escape and FN and boot the computer. That should be fun. I'll put my name. Good. Plug in the USB. So FN, escape. I can almost do it. Oh, I got it. Boss. Okay. Did not work. Alright. Hold on. Okay, I just looked at it real quick. It did say to use the BIOS, or not the BIOS, the DOS folder. So, make sure though, if you look at that README file, I think I never used. DOS flash, execute that under pure DOS mode. And Windows Flash, do that. Okay. Oh, let's just try it. Wait, I thought. Okay. Since it didn't work, I decided to make my laptop sit in the background. The mic, see it. And see if, just cut the whole photo over, see if you can do it from Windows. So, BIOS. I'll put it in the capture card, so screw it. And this is shredding. Best device. Okay, go. current, no. Inside flash. I read this like an idiot. Okay. So yeah, if computer was to shut off, you'd be probably screwed. Probably totally the motherboard. Or ruin it, I should say. This isn't a card. And you'd be pretty much F-bombed because stupid YouTube advertising policy. Yeah, you'd be screwed pretty much. So, I wanted to do it, but hey, it helps the computer, you know, I got besides, it's free. So, I didn't put any money in this laptop, so I'm not really worried about destroying it. If I get this to work correctly, though, what's camera video suck as? I don't know what that is. I got no shit yet. Oh crap. Oh crap. Be fine. Okay. It's gonna explode! Run! Okay, that was a poor voice. And you just. Oh, it's starting back up. Boom! Oh, let's see here. See you guys. See what happens. Yeah, it's not doing nothing. I'm going to shut it on. I just killed it. Okay. Switch it off. Yeah, I think I just killed it. Did you orange, not yellow, but that was more like it. Either it's still doing something or it's just done. I'll get the G5. No, I'll get the 7. Don't do nothing. I'm gonna pull better. Time's up. And correct. And I can't even shut it off, it's inside there. Alright. Wanna do it that way? Let's do it that way. I'm gonna go put the battery out real quick. Yeah, let's see what it does. Okay. It's off now. Ha 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 ha. I ain't gonna do it. Oh. Huh. 2.14. Did it. Alright. It started faster too, that's what it seemed like. Good exit. I didn't see that coming out of it. I thought we just killed it. So yeah, I pulled the battery out, as I said, and it turned on. It's actually pretty good. I didn't see it coming. I think we turned on the first time. If anyone wonders, that is a valid license. I did check on that, recently. The speakers engaged. So it's the back. CMD. And I like to run his initial jerks. And the date is 9-10-16. The time. Let's do a 24-hour time, not 12-hour. So that'd be 19:02. 7:02. On button. 7:02. 7:02. Alright. That's where the beauty of the real test comes in. So I'll shut it down. I'll go about 10 times. I'm gonna record it. I'm gonna probably run out of space in a minute. And we'll see it switch every time. And I will keep starting it until I see it fail. Alright, back. Oh. It's looking good, but sadly it failed already. 1 second try too. It's sad though. Yeah, it's not something bad, right? Oh. That concludes this video. Yeah, this isn't gonna work. So, sadly, don't want to say it, but this computer's toast. So, until next time, guys, take it easy.